Right away, this tells you everything. No plea deal means no safety net. The judge isn't just listening today, she's holding this woman's entire future in her hands.
In cause number 25, DCCR 0297, you're charged with a state jail felony offense of theft of property from August 24th of 2024, continuing through September 4th of 2020. That's not right. 23. We can't go. I think the dates are.
It does appear to be off, Judge. I apologize. Let's see.
I mean, do you want to just pick one? I don't think it.
It should read August the 24th of 2023 through.
Okay.
This might sound minor, but date errors in criminal cases matter. One wrong year can derail a case. That's why you're seeing lawyers and judges slow everything down to fix it properly.
September 4th.
I'd make a trial or a motion to amend the indictment.
Any objection to that?
What would the new date
Change the first year to 2023.
And they would both be in 2023, yes, ma'am. No.
Correct. All right, let me, hold on a second. Let me get that pulled up. Okay, so let me make that. Sorry, y'all, give me just a second. Okay, so what you're charged with is theft from August 24th of 2023, continuing through September 4th of 2023. And how do you plead to that charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you did what they've charged you with? I have, in that case here on the tablet, some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojas? Do you fully understand them?
Yes.
And it looks like there is no agreement in this case. Is that correct?
That's correct.
That's correct.
And so you're leaving your punishment in this case up to the court. You do have some rights to appeal. I want to make sure you understand, y'all signed the post-conviction waivers. Do you want me to mark through those?
Please.
Please, Judge. Thank you.
I want to make sure you understand, you have an absolute right to have a jury come in and determine 2 things. The first is if you're guilty or not, and then you could leave punishment up to that jury if they find you guilty. If we go forward this way, you're leaving your punishment up to me. Is that what you want to do? Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
This is a crucial warning. The judge is making sure the defendant understands that a guilty plea isn't just about jail, it can affect immigration status, rights, and future opportunities. Once you say guilty, there's no rewind button.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Ms. Leonard's not competent?
There you are.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case so that the probation department can do a pre-sentence report. That'll give me more information about you and your case, and then we'll come back later for sentencing. So on that indictment, I did make a modification, like it's not at the top. I did a strike through, and it's in the body. So see if it works right. Give me. I'm not sure if it's showing up well, but okay. And then we have cause numbers 19-33340 and 20-36095. And will your client waive the formal reading of those motions?
She will, Your Honor.
In each of these cases, I have motions to revoke your community supervision. It looks like both of them, well, in cause number 33340, you were placed on probation April 7th of 2021 for the offense of theft of property, a state jail felony. That was a 2-year sentence that was probated for 5 years. Is that correct? And then in that 36095 case, you were also placed on probation April 7th of 2021, and this one for theft of service, a state jail felony. That was also a 2-year sentence that was probated for 5 years. Is that correct? Each of these allege you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you committed that new offense of theft August 24th of 2023, the case that we just went through. Is that true or not true? Count 2 in each case alleges that you did not provide verification of performing the community service hours as required. And is that true or not true? And then count 3 in each case alleges that you are behind in your court-assessed fees and probably restitution in each of those cases. And is that true or not true? Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, and 3 in each of these cases freely and voluntarily? And did you plead true to those counts because they're all actually true?
And this is where things get really dangerous. When probation gets revoked, all that suspended time comes back. Those old cases suddenly become very real again.
All right, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, and 3 freely and voluntarily in each case. Find sufficient evidence in each case to revoke your probation. However, I'm going to reset your cases and get the probation department to do an updated report. Again, that'll give me more information about you, your probations, what's going on, and then we will come back later for sentencing. And these are unagreed, correct?
That's correct.
Anything that you think is important for me to know, make sure you get that information to Mr. Rojas. He will present it to me on the next court case on your behalf. All right, do you need her? Okay, if you'll stop and talk to probation on your way out of the courtroom, please.